Great opportunity to reside in Cypress Lakes. Popular concrete block Divosta Capri model offers 2 bedrooms with walk-in closets and built-ins, 2 full baths and a 2-car garage. This lovely home features a split floor plan, vaulted ceilings, built-in upgraded wall unit, granite countertops and kitchen, custom cornices in living room and master bedroom. Large laundry room includes almost new washer and dryer, laundry tub, cabinets and large closet. Newly refreshed white tile flooring in laundry room, kitchen, family room and bathrooms. Private backyard with screened-in porch. Great Palm City location. Come see this one soon as these homes sell quickly.